Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some useful items for day-to-day life. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is 7-gallon potato grow bags. You can buy it online within $16.
So my plant growing bags came packaged like this. I got a 12 pack of 5 gallon, but you can get different sizes too. Let's have a look at them. So these grow bags are made out of a black non-woven fabric. So they don't have any drainage holes in them, but the water is supposed to just seep out through the fabric. And they come with these cute little plant labels, which is nice. The nice thing about a non-woven fabric for a grow bag is that it's not only permeable to water, but also breathable for air. So that is a really nice thing. And you can get them in tons of different sizes too. You can get really small 1 gallon size up to 10 gallons. The bottom of it is round, you can see it here. So this is a 5 gallon size, it's not terribly tall, but we'll see how it looks planted up. And then the handles are the same kind of non-woven fabric stitched down the sides. So I planted my Nigeria grow bags with tomatoes mostly. I think I did, out of the 12 of them, I think 10 are tomatoes. They were obviously very easy to plant. I don't think I've planted a tomato in anything smaller than this. I think 5 gallons is probably the minimum for a tomato, but this tomato looks happy in here and we'll see how it does throughout the season. Thanks so much for watching and happy gardening.
Second one. This is grill replaceable scraper cleaning. You can buy it online within $60. Third one. This is front and back carrier for newborns babies. You can buy it online within $25. Fourth one. This is magnetic pickup tool. You can buy it online within $15. Fifth one. This is clear color, soda, or beverage can lid. You can buy it online within $10.
It looks super bubbly and carbonated, but I have to say it does taste pretty flat. Wow, this tastes super crisp and refreshing, as if I just opened the can. Meanwhile, I originally opened the can yesterday, left it overnight, and it still tastes just as carbonated and bubbly as it did yesterday. The Smarter Seal does the trick. I personally would buy this for myself. I'm not a huge soda drinker, but sometimes I'll drink like seltzer or ginger ale. So for the price and how easy it is to just throw into your bag or a purse, I think the Smarter Seal is really a great product and holds up to what it claims it does.
Sixth one. This is Body Restore Shower Steamers. You can buy it online within $23.
These are the Body Restore Relief Shower Steamers. They are long-lasting at-home aromatherapy tablets. All you have to do is place one tablet on the floor in your shower and let the steam do the rest. It'll turn your shower into a relaxing at-home spa. This is the eucalyptus mint, and I can even smell it through the bag. It smells so good. Anyways, I'm obsessed. I cannot shower now without using one of these. Having one of these tablets in the shower, I swear I can feel my muscles relaxing and my skin start to away. It's incredible. The Body Restore Relief tablets are natural, organic, never tested on animals, and the essential oils are imported from the UK. I cannot get enough of these. Every time I use it, I feel like I'm transported to some fancy spa and I'm instantly at ease. So seriously, go check it out. I can't recommend it enough. The Body Restore Relief Shower Steamers.
So, today we are looking for some useful items for day-to-day life. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.